Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by locating essential info fast. Find the router and check its label or box for 4 GHz or 5 GHz. Once done, look at the Wi-Fi SSID names on your device. Many routers append 5G or 4G to each band. Next, log into the router admin page using its IP address to confirm band settings. This tells you how the radio is configured and whether both bands are active. This gets you immediate confirmation, so you can move to device checks. Now check the band from the device you're using. On Windows, open Settings, Network and Internet, then Wi-Fi and view the network details to see channel or band. On Mac, click the Wi-Fi icon to reveal channel and whether you're on 4 or 5 GHz. On Android or iPhone, open Wi-Fi info or install a simple analyzer app that reports band and channel. Once you see the channel number, you'll know the band. Lower channels mean 4 GHz, higher ones indicate 5 GHz. To finish, interpret what you found. Channels 1 through 11 usually mean 4 GHz, while channels starting around 36 indicate 5 GHz, so use that to label networks clearly. If you want one band only, change SSID or disable a band in the router settings. Make sure to save and reconnect devices. If things go wrong, reboot the router and your device, then try again. If the band still won't show, update router firmware or use a different analyzer app to rule out software errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.